wasn't alive, so I must have been dead. These days are filled with so much dread. The letters you see are polluting your head. Right to a beat that can't be heard. Played hope to spread the perused in the herd. Think I might be considered a nerd. Colors can shade nuance to the likeness we share. Dress can separate us by the clothes we wear. Still we all have to breathe the very same air. Since we all stand and it must be common ground. We build a bunch of squares, but nature is round. All of our ears hear most us and keeps us bound. It is fear that traps us and keeps us bound. It is fear that traps us and keeps us bound.